Nazbillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bacho is class 7th subject kosher. Ine topic as such as para poet kyum. Ine resham sanat gai god chinas mas shuru. Yeli resham sanat yusais poet kyum chiracha tolpan saitan yasa kar godnetui asa gai lagu kaiti chinas mas temte öse tolpoet kim racha tim te soisum to tolpan itraman poet kiman timesaitisum racha te pala tolpoet kim cho ikis varias mas naman naven tolpoet kemen hund akui pur kada daba tolpoet kemas cho ikis varias mas akui pur ikis varias mas kada poet kemen has zurias chai ikis varias mas tre pur kada daba poet kemen has zurias has chai ikis varias mazan tre pur kada tolpoet kem sans risham chai baki rishmo nish sata jan asa tulpo yus tul panas pedan poet kim rashna shema is risham sanat yusaman so port chwata gas chu bada sata kumte bias chu sata jan asa awai chu kashir man sarkar te gur sarkari tul kul nursery lagna amsa awai asa chu taya so jai ushmos ine sarkar nas chu variya tul nursery variya sericulture kom tul kulas chu variya jai lagni yitki zane shahar khaso pat wucho ise tat khoire side has chu ta tattes chu variya kul ye chogul nishti chu variya kul daba tul kul Nauravna khatir chu kashir hund ab hava sata jan yusi tul agar as tul kulis lago imuk ab hava kashir ma sata jan sarkaran chai tul kul satnas pet pabandi lojmus avai sarkaran thomus pabandi ne rakavat control thom tul kul satnas pet kansi zan ase panne zaminas mas te agar as pannes milkiyatas mas te tul kul asan tul kul to tas chun so satnas ijazai timis nes chun so satnas ijazat ki tikyaz resham santas pet chu sas baden lukan hund ozgo pakan varian hund rozgaras chu umnai tul kulin petan yus poet kim shis rasha tul panas petan ta imun petan has chu man rozgar tul kul chu sanas hand bunyad tul kulen rosh rawat karan khatir ta kulhum poet resham santas tarki din bapat navi tarik ta no ta sarna khatir chu sanis riyasatas maz akh ikhtiyar wol mahkam kam karan